खुलुमखा प्रथमनो आं बुबाग्रा नानि खुलुममानि ते हामजामानि याफार दिनै दिनै चाइतुमुं बाय o jaga YTF ni sar Donald sar jango sar thaiyei ano blood nangmani jesek nangmani rifaiga ang tini blood ni bagoi Dormanogor onekta club o turi jab khaiba thangka kintu thangmani pore phano kebin thine ang blood maya onek jon bai ang contact khaika maya abni pore ang tini Bubagra na call khaika Bubagra thaka 10 minute সময় নাকা 10 minute bisingo sar songrok ana call khaiei blood ni jugar khai dikha abagai belai khai sar songno bono tei Bubagra no specialist babe ang hamaima janago bin khanta marin bagai sisin tini ob hayengo belai bene khana Hambai Bubagra no ka ani parang kai monu romja ko parang bu kai lomba bil jeta sum bazar sama kai monu.
Today we came to help our brother Sanjeev as we learned that he is in trouble. We have seen a message from our Bubagra and we have taken an immediate initiative from Darchoy YTF and this Jalaibasa YTF. So he is from Sanjeev Debroma is from Manu and we are from different part of Tripura. Even though we are from different part of Tripura, but we have unity or Thansa. Due to Thansa, we came and help him here. Whatever it is necessary to take initiative, we are ready to take initiative as YTF. I am being as a central vice president of YTF and with my colleagues Lineker, he is also the vice president of YTF. So we promise him to take initiative and this is our regard to even to our Bubagra. We feel him not to worry, so we will take care of everything for our brother Sanjeev. Thank you.